Sliced bread, often hailed as one of the greatest innovations in the culinary world, serves as a staple food for countless people globally. Its significance lies not only in its convenience but also in its versatility, making it a fundamental component of various meals from sandwiches to toast. In this exploration, viewers will learn about the entire process of making sliced bread. So let's find out if the steps of making bread is worth it, so be ready to hit the subscribe button to not miss out on any update, because that is the best way to support this channel. Starting with a selection of high-quality ingredients such as flour, yeast and water, followed by the mixing, kneading, and fermentation stages. The dough is then shaped, baked, and cooled before being sliced and packaged for distribution. Historically, the invention of the bread slicer in the 1920s revolutionized how bread was consumed, allowing for uniform slices that made preparation easier and more efficient. This innovation marked a turning point in baking, leading to the widespread popularity of pre-sliced bread. Join us as we delve into the fascinating journey of sliced bread, from its humble beginnings to its status as a beloved food item around the world. The origins of bread date back over 5,000 years to ancient Egypt, where the first forms of bread were crafted from simple ingredients like flour and water, baked on hot stones. This early innovation laid the foundation for bread as a staple food across cultures. Fast forward to 1928, when American baker Otto Frederick Roeder revolutionized the bread industry by inventing the first bread slicing machine. His invention allowed loaves to be sliced uniformly, making it easier for consumers to enjoy bread without the hassle of cutting it themselves. The introduction of pre-sliced bread quickly gained popularity, transforming how people consumed this essential food item. The patented slicing machine not only enhanced convenience but also contributed to increased bread consumption, as it encouraged the creation of various sandwich styles and recipes. This innovation is often celebrated as a significant milestone in baking history, leading to the famous phrase, "the best thing since sliced bread," highlighting its lasting impact on culinary practices and everyday life. Making sliced bread involves a few essential ingredients that come together to create its delightful texture and flavor. The primary components include flour, yeast, water, salt, and sometimes sugar and fats like butter or oil. Flour serves as the backbone of the dough, providing structure, while yeast is crucial for fermentation. The process begins with mixing the flour and other dry ingredients in a large bowl. Water is then added, activating the yeast and allowing it to dissolve. This mixture is needed to develop gluten, which gives the bread its elasticity and chewiness. Yeast plays a vital role in the rising process. As it ferments, it produces carbon dioxide, causing the dough to expand and rise. This fermentation not only contributes to the bread's texture but also enhances its flavor. Once the dough has risen adequately, it is shaped and allowed to rise again before baking. This careful combination of ingredients and techniques results in the soft, delicious sliced bread we enjoy today. The production of flour begins with the careful cleaning and milling of wheat, a process that transforms raw grains into the fine powder used in baking. Initially harvested, wheat is cleaned to remove impurities such as dirt, stones, and other foreign materials. This is typically done using a series of screens and air jets. Once cleaned, the wheat is milled, where it is ground into flour through a series of rollers that break down the grains into finer particles. This milling process can vary depending on the desired flour type, such as whole wheat or all-purpose. After milling, safety measures are crucial during transportation to ensure the flour remains uncontaminated. Flour is typically transported in sealed bags or bulk containers, minimizing exposure to moisture and pests. The scale of flour delivery to bakeries can be significant, with large quantities shipped regularly to meet demand. This efficient supply chain ensures that bakeries have a steady flow of fresh flour, essential for producing high-quality baked goods. The preparation of dough involves crucial stages, starting with the mixing process, where ingredients like flour, water, yeast, and salt are combined. A commercial mixer plays a vital role in this stage, efficiently blending the ingredients to form a cohesive dough. The mixer ensures that the yeast is evenly distributed, which is essential for consistent fermentation. Once mixed, the dough undergoes fermentation, a critical phase that allows the yeast to activate and produce carbon dioxide, causing the dough to rise. This process not only contributes to the dough's volume but also enhances its flavor and texture. For optimal yeast activity, specific conditions must be maintained, including a warm environment, typically around 75 to 80 degrees Fahrenheit, and adequate moisture. These conditions encourage yeast fermentation, allowing it to thrive and effectively leaven the dough. Properly managing the mixing and fermentation stages is essential for achieving the desired characteristics in the final bread product, ensuring a light, airy texture and rich flavor. The baking process is a crucial step in transforming dough loaves into delicious bread. Typically, the ideal temperature for baking bread ranges from 350 to 475 degrees Fahrenheit, depending on the type of bread being made. The duration of baking can vary, usually lasting between 25 to 45 minutes, ensuring that the bread is cooked through and develops a golden crust. The design of the oven plays a significant role in achieving even baking. Commercial ovens often feature steam injection systems and convection fans that promote uniform heat distribution. This design helps prevent hot spots, ensuring that all parts of the loaf bake evenly. Visual indicators of perfectly baked bread include a golden brown crust, a hollow sound when tapped on the bottom, and a well-risen shape. Additionally, the internal temperature of the bread should reach around 190 to 210 degrees Fahrenheit for optimal doneness. These indicators help bakers determine when the bread is ready to be removed from the oven, resulting in a delightful final product. The cooling and slicing stages are essential steps in the bread-making process that significantly impact the final product. After baking, it is crucial to allow the bread to cool before slicing. This cooling period, typically lasting about 30 to 60 minutes, enables the steam inside the loaf to escape, which helps set the crumb structure and prevents the bread from becoming gummy. Slicing bread too soon can result in a squished texture and uneven slices. Once adequately cooled, the bread is ready for slicing, often using a specialized bread slicing machine. This efficient mechanism ensures uniform slices, enhancing presentation and making it easier for consumers to use the bread for sandwiches or toast. Following the slicing process, the bread is packaged to maintain freshness and prevent staleness. Packaging typically involves sealing the sliced loaves in plastic bags or wrapping them in paper, which protects the bread from external elements while allowing it to breathe. This careful attention to cooling, slicing, and packaging ensures that the bread remains delicious and ready for enjoyment. In summary, understanding the bread-making process is essential for appreciating the journey from simple ingredients to the delicious sliced bread we enjoy daily. We explored the historical significance of sliced bread, the meticulous selection and preparation of ingredients, and the critical stages of mixing, fermentation, baking, cooling, and slicing. Each step plays a vital role in ensuring the quality and flavor of the final product. If you found this video insightful, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel, like the video, and share it with friends and family who might also be interested in the art of baking. Your support helps us create more engaging content that delves into various culinary topics. Additionally, we invite you to explore related videos on our channel, where you can discover more about baking techniques, recipes, and the science behind your favorite foods. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the fascinating world of bread making.